All right, here we have 8A. We're trying to find the area of this shaded region, okay? So this area of the sector, this can be seen as the sector. The formula of the sector is defined by the angle divided by the total angle, which is 360, and we're going to multiply that to the area, pi r squared. So we have the angle. The angle is going to be 7 degrees. They tell us right here, 7 degrees. And the radius is 10. You just plug that in. Sector is going to be equal to 70 over 360 times pi r, which is 10 squared. So you can just plug this into the calculator. 70 divided by 360 times 100 pi. Leave it in terms of pi. Okay, 10 squared is 100. That's how I got that. Right? So plug this into the calculator. 70 divided by 360 times 100. Oh, that's an ugly number. Sector is roughly 19.44 pi, or if you actually multiply it by pi, let's see, yeah, or it's 61.1. Okay, I will just take it in terms of pi. All right, B, this is the sector we are looking for. The sector angle is 298. So angle is right here, 293, and the radius here is 10. So let's plug into the formula. The sector is going to be equal to the angle divided by 360 times pi r squared. The angle, it is 293 divided by 360 times pi. R is 10 squared. So the sector is 293 divided by 360 times 10 squared, which is 100 pi. Let's try to leave this in terms of pi here. Let's see what we get. All right. So the sector, we plug that into the calculator. 293 divided by 360 times 100. That is approximately 81.38. So make that 4 pi, or approximately 255.7. Okay, and look at C. We have this, we're trying to find this sector and this sector. Rather than do two different problems, you can do this as one problem. The angle here is really 125 plus 125. So the angle is really 250, okay? Because there's two 125s. The radius is the same, which is 8. Okay? So the sector is equal to an angle divided by 360 times pi r squared. The angle here, which is 250 divided by 360 times pi, the r is 8 squared. So it's 250 divided by 360 times 64 pi. Right, let's see. 250 divided by 360 times 64. So we get 44.44 pi, which is equal to the sector. If you actually plug it in, that is around probably 139.6. Okay, there you go. You can leave it either in terms of pi or evaluate it. I recommend just leaving it in terms of pi.